Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install the AWS CLI on Windows step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to run AWS commands directly from your terminal. No more clicking through the console. Let's get started. Open your browser, search for AWS CLI download. From the search results, look for the official AWS link called Installing or Updating AWS CLI. Click on it. The same link is also available in the description below. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the Windows section. Here, download the AWS CLI version 2 MSI installer. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the folder where the installer was downloaded. Locate the installer file. Double-click the file to start the installation. Once the installer opens, click Next. Accept the license agreement. Then click Next again. On the custom setup screen, keep the default settings. Click Next. Now click Install. If prompted, allow administrator access. The installation has now begun. This might take a few moments. Meanwhile, here's something useful. AWS CLI allows you to interact with AWS services directly from your terminal. You can manage S3, EC2, and many other services without using the browser. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now let's verify the installation. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type AWS version, press Enter. If everything is installed correctly, you'll see the AWS CLI version displayed. Now let's configure AWS CLI. Type AWS configure, press Enter. Enter your access key. This is generated when you create your AWS account. Enter your secret key. For region, you can enter your preferred region, or simply press Enter to skip. For output format, you can also press Enter to keep the default. And that's it. Your AWS CLI is now configured. Now you can start running commands. For example, to list S3 buckets, type AWS S3 ls. Press Enter. You'll see the list of buckets available in your account. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured AWS CLI. If you want to go further, I've got more videos coming up right after this. Make sure to check them out. If this video helped you, hit like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.